Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Onett here. Welcome back to another video. For today, we're playing Base Swamp Simulator. And like I was saying, if Onett can add me inside in this Bee Swarm Simulator, that could be awesome. I wish I can be Onett's friend, but I can't. But I want to be inside Base Swarm Simulator. Just right. Let me post. Okay, so maybe it's just right here. Yeah, like here. Right. Maybe not. Maybe like somewhere around here. I don't know. Let me choose places. Okay, so Onett, if you are watching this video, Onett, the owner of this game, if you're watching this video, please add me in. I want to be your friend too. So maybe I would like to be right here at the middle. Can I be at the middle? I don't know. There gonna be some hidden places. Maybe like, oh gosh, oh god. Okay, I'm dead. Yep. Okay, I'm dead. Okay. I'm just dead already. Well, okay, so if I'm Onett's friend, Onett, if you are watching this, please be my friend and add me in this Bee Swarm Simulator. So, go in. So I'm gonna be somewhere around hidden. Maybe like somewhere around here. Yeah, maybe around here. Or maybe down here, that will be awesome. Oh wait, what just happened? No, I need more bigger place. Maybe like just right here, okay? So if I can right here, I need the more harder quest. And if Onett can do something new, alright, just this one, a secret place. So yeah, a secret. So I wish this update will be has the secret bees, secret egg, some sort, I don't know, like some secret bear. Yeah, a new boss. Onett, if you're watching this, I hope you guys enjoy. If Onett is watching this, appreciate this. Bye.